Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage logistics with ShipBob, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for a ShipBob account on their website. Once registered, complete your profile by providing essential business information. Next, connect your e-commerce platform to ShipBob. ShipBob supports integrations with various platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your store seamlessly. After integration, set up your products in the ShipBob dashboard. You'll need to enter details like SKU, weights, and dimensions for accurate shipping. Next, choose your fulfillment centers based on your target market. ShipBob has multiple fulfillment centers across the US and beyond. Once you've selected your centers, prepare your products for fulfillment. This involves packaging your items according to ShipBob's guidelines. Next, create a shipping plan through your ShipBob account. Specify how many units you'll send and confirm your shipping method. Once your products are packed, ship them directly to the selected fulfillment centers. Provide tracking information within your ShipBob dashboard after shipment. When your products arrive at the center, ShipBob will notify you. Monitor the status of your inventory in real time through the dashboard. Utilize ShipBob's analytics to understand your sales trends and inventory levels. Adjust your inventory based on performance data for effective stock management. As orders come in, ShipBob handles picking, packing, and shipping on your behalf. You can track order statuses and shipping updates directly from your account. Communicate with ShipBob's support team for any issues or questions you may have. Regularly review your logistics performance to identify areas for improvement. Utilize customer feedback to enhance your shipping and fulfillment processes with ShipBob. By following these steps, you can effectively manage logistics and streamline your fulfillment operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.